In this ukulele review, we're going to go over the Pono MC. MC5? MC, what does MC stand for? I'm going to go over this thing right here in this video, so stick around. Just a little sample of what this thing is. But welcome to Uke Like The Pros. I'm Terry Carter. Thanks for being here. And if you haven't done so already, well, maybe you don't even know what we do here. We do ukulele reviews and tutorials. Nope, this is the review. We do challenges, we do giveaways, we also do guitar lele and baritone. Make sure to subscribe, turn on that bell notification. All right, so Pono, these are new to my store, fairly new as we're moving on here. Fantastic instruments. My store is the #1 store online at store.ukelikethepros.com. And this one is going to go over the Pono MC. I like it. Simple names. Sometimes these names can go pretty extensively because what the companies do, they try to get all the different woods they have in, spruce tops or acacia or slided headstock shorts. So they put it all in the name and it end up being really long. But this one, super simple, MC. This is a mahogany concert. So thanks, Pono, for keeping it simple for me. Fantastic wood mahogany. We'll do some playing in this video. I'm going to go over all the specs. You're going to know the scale length. You want to know the nut width. You want to know what I think about this instrument as well. And that's what we're going to do right here. So again, the Pono MC, that's all solid, by the way, mahogany concert. Let me continue that piece I was playing earlier and then we'll dive into this thing. Man, what a great sounding wood. What do you think? Leave a comment below so far. Just that little playing piece on this mahogany. I tell you a little bit about mahogany wood in general and why it's such a fantastic wood for ukuleles. All right, shall we dive into this thing? All right, so we got all solid wood. By the way, this has a satin finish on it. This really nice satin finish, by the way. It's really smooth. It's got a nice solid top, nice solid sides. Let me show you this side as well. Nothing too fancy as far as really. I don't want to say simple. Nice solid back too. I want to say simple, but some ukuleles have really fancy bindings and rosettes and abalone stuff like that, and they're cool. But sometimes it's just nice to have a nice simple instrument that looks clean, that sounds fantastic, and really has a great price. Sometimes you start adding that stuff. I got goosebumps all of a sudden. You start adding all that stuff, the abalone, this and that, and it's cool. But again, now the price is going to go up. So this is just a really nice, simple instrument, and you got the nice rope rosette right there. Pono, by the way, great company. They're made in Java, the island of Java. Don't know much about Java, but I know they make great instruments. Then it goes over to Oahu, and then it's shipped to me right here in San Diego for store.ukelikethepros.com. All right. What I like about the Ponos in general is they're just really nice quality, all solid wood, nice quality stuff. They don't skimp on some of the things that you could skimp on to make them cheaper. They go with the nicer stuff, but I'll go over that. So let me do a little bit more playing. I really want you to hear this mahogany, and then I'll tell you generally these characteristics of the mahogany wood right here. Cool, Rick. What chord we're going to now? Oh, yeah. Woo! Let me pick this a little bit. High G, by the way. You hear that? Really, really nice. I was just playing that and I was thinking this is kind of top secret. So if you make it to this video, you get a little secret here, at least at the time of this recording. But check out, I got a brand new soloing course, okay? And one of them is kind of a blues, how to solo over a blues. But check that out. That's ukelikethepros.com. Shh, don't tell anyone though. All right, let's get back to this thing. So first of all, I was going to show you the neck and stuff. Just mahogany in general. It's a really hard wood. And that's why you use a lot of necks, like this one is mahogany. So it's a nice wood. It's a nice solid wood. But the sound, what I like about mahogany is it's got a nice projection. It's bright, but it's not like kind of like spruce top can be a little like really loud and really, really kind of high end, like trebly sounding, which is cool too. I mean, it's got its function, but what I like about the mahogany is like, it's got the projection, but it's not quite so shimmery. Okay. It's still got a little bit of nice warmth to the wood. And a lot of people I know love mahogany ukuleles. I think of my friend Daniel Ho. He plays a different brand. And although he plays Spalton Mango and some different woods, he really always talks about how much he loves his mango wood. And mahogany. His mahogany ukulele, and I mean, he won 6 Grammys, so the guy knows what he's talking about. So anyway, that's a mahogany sound in general. All right, let's check this out now. We do have a solid mahogany neck, which I already showed you. It does have a satin finish on it. All right, and then you have the open geared Grover tuners. Really nice tuners, though. These are going to hold in tune for you. You just have the standard headstock, no slotted here. The ebony plate. You have the ebony fretboard as well. Then you have 35 millimeters or 1 3/8 nut width here, and a 382 millimeters. Impressing you with the numbers. That's just over 15 inches scale length. That's from the inside of the nut to the inside of the saddle, and then you have the bone nut and saddle as well. So, like I said, with the nicer tuners, the bone nut and saddle, the ebony. I mean, that's just the nicer upgrades while keeping a fantastic price. Yeah, it's a really fantastic price. By the way, thank you for smashing that like button. All right, let's do, what should we do? Let's do one more thing. Maybe do a little finger picking types thing, even though I did that with the blues. And then, yeah, don't forget, I want to hear what you think of this right below. I don't even know what that was. I just made it up, but I didn't want to screw it up and do some kind of weird chords. I just kept it on that one chord. By the way, these come with a high G. So anyway, I don't know really what to say. These are great instruments. Like I said, fantastic quality, all solid wood, great price. The satin finish, the real kind of, you just kind of like it's an ukulele. That's what I love about it. Nothing overly fancy with them, but just solidly built, great products, great sound on this one, this Pono. Again, this is a Pono MC. This is an all-solid mahogany concert. Store.ukelikethepros.com. Anyway, let me know what you think. I appreciate you being here, all the comments, smashing that like button, and subscribing to the channel. And that's going to do it for this one. We'll see you in the next one.